Okay, today we are going to do the collapsing can experiment. And I'm with my grandsons. Woo!
Liam, come over here.
Liam, ready for the collapsing can experiment? Yeah, come on, we're going to do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, Hunter and I, we're going to fill up the bowl with water. Ready? Take that to the kitchen sink. We put some water into the can, right? We have a little bit of water in here. What we're going to do is boil the water, Henry, until we see water vapor coming out. And then we're going to stick it into the cold water. And then the can should collapse. Okay, ready? I'm going to use a tongue. Okay, here we go. Let me know when you see water vapor coming out of the can. Ready, baby Hunter?
Can you put our hand in the
Yeah.
So cold.
It's cold water in there.
No!
And now we have to wait till we see water vapor come out of the can.
Why is it so cold?
Oh, do you see water vapor yet?
No, Mom had to.
Do we see any water vapor yet? And then we're going to heat it up for at least 30 seconds after we see the water vapor.
Yeah.
You know where I got this one from? You can find instructions for this one on a webpage from my alma mater where I went to graduate school.
No.
Okay, ready? Watch out. Move your hand, Henry. Let's see if this works.
Oh, no.
Are we ready? Ready to give it a try?
Ah!
Henry, move your hands.
No.
Liam, you're going to want to see this.
Liam, come here.
Liam, ready? Whoa!
What the heck?
Did you see that?
Wait, it's still...
Are we ready? Ready to give it a try?
Ah!
Henry, move your hands. Liam, you're going to want to see this.
Liam, come here.
Liam, ready? Whoa!
What the heck?
Did you see that?
Wait,
Here we
how
are.
did this happen?
We're going to try it one more time. Okay, so remember, Liam, I'm going to heat this up, okay?
Are you going to put it right here?
No, I'm going to put it in the water again. Whoops.
What the?
Okay, so we're just waiting till the water vapor starts coming out, right?
Oh my god.
Okay, Liam, ready? Once we heat up the water in the can, we'll start seeing steam come out.
Yeah.
And then we're going to flip it over. So don't leave, Liam.
Liam,
Don't
no.
leave.
Liam, don't leave. You're going to see it
It's
happen.
coming. You're going to see it happen.
Yeah, Liam.
Okay, Liam and Henry. Ready? Liam, look up here just in case it works. That first one worked.
Hunter.
There.
Oh my god! It did it! Oh my god! Hunter! You baby! Yes! 30!
Are we ready to do it? Ready? Let's see if it works. Watch out. Look at the water.